Similar solids. Geometrically similar solids with corresponding sides 1 is 1 and is 2. The ratio of their areas and volumes are given by E1 over E2 equals to quantity is 1 over S2 squared, or V1 over V2 equals to is 1 over S2 quantity cube. Example: both cylinders are geometrically similar. Their heights are 2 feet and 8 feet respectively. If the curved surface area of the smaller cylinder is 10 feet squared, find curved surface area of the larger cylinder. B. Volume of small cylinder if volume of big cylinder is 4 cubic foot. So you have this one. Solution. Letter A. E1 over E2 equals to H1 over H2 quantity square. 10 all over E2 equals to 2 over 8 quantity square, or your E2 equals to 160 feet square. For letter B, V1 over V2 equals to H1 over H2 quantity cube. V1 over 4 equals to 2 over 8 quantity cube. V1 equals to 0.0625 feet cube. The figures are similar. Find the area of the bigger figure. So your solution, you have that one. E1 equals to 20 meters squared. L1 equals to 6 meter. E2 equals, then L2 equals to 12 meters. So you have that one. E2 over E1 equals to L2 all over L1 square. E2 over 20 equals to 12 over 6 square, or your E2 equals to 80 meters square. The coconut wine containers are similar. Calculate the volume of a small container if the bigger gallon can hold 24 liters. So your solution, V1 over V2 equals to D1 over D2 cube. V1 over 24 equals to 3 over 4 cube. So V1 equals to 24 times 0.75 cube equals to 10.125 liter. Determine if the two triangular pyramids are similar. So your solution match the corresponding pattern. Match the corresponding pattern. So 3/4 equals to 6/8, but 9/18 is not equal to 3/4. So these triangular pyramids are not similar. So they are not similar. Show that the two rectangular prisms are similar. So you have this one. Solution. 4/12 equals to 6/18 equals to 10/30. Since congruent, ratios are similar, these two prisms are similar.